Muri ega eroreri ndamumukira kihiguro-ini gitu kia Ruth na Mary, learning the Kikuyu language with Ruth and Mary. Njitagwo Mary. Umuthi tugukorwo tugithoma uhoro wa the Kikuyu Negation, no twambiririe. Ndarakenio ni wira wake. Maybe this is somebody who is not happy with their job. She's not happy with her job, so she's talking about it. Ndarahura thimu. Maybe somebody had promised to call, she's not calling. Then somebody can make that statement. Ndarahura thimu. Gutire mundu wendaga gukorwo wiki. Gutire mundu wendaga gukorwo wiki. Nobody wants to be alone. Maybe somebody is complaining about things and then you tell them, ucio ni thina waku. That's not my problem. Somebody wants some money, you tell them, ndiri na mbeca haha. I don't have money here. Ndiri na mbeca haha. Then another one, ndirona mbica. Maybe you are expecting to see a certain picture, then you say, ndirona mbica. Ndehariirie. She is not ready. Ndehariirie. Then maybe somebody is worried. You tell them, tiga kumaka. Or there's no point of worrying. Tiga kumaka. If you have a meal and you taste the food, then you say, irio itire na sama. The food is tasteless. Maybe you give somebody your problem, then they tell you, dire odo igika, I can do nothing. Then you go to a room, then you find all darkness. You say, gutire oderi nyumba. There's no light in the house. Gutire oderi nyumba. And maybe you're waiting for a train. You look at the time, you see the time the train was supposed to come, it has not arrived. You say, mugithi nimusherere. The train is not on time. Mugithi nimusherere. Maybe somebody does something not so good. You can say, ugoti wega. It is not fair. Maybe somebody wants to remind you something. You say, ndiriganirwo ni kindu. I have not forgotten anything. I'm still remembering maybe the promise or something. Ndiriganirwo ni kindu. Then maybe somebody is teaching a lesson which is a bit tough. You say, ti uhuthu guthoma. It's not easy to learn. Maybe it's at lunchtime and somebody thinks maybe you had eaten, you continue with something, you're doing something, they say, dire diraria. I have not eaten. Dire diraria. Maybe somebody who is sort of telling lies, then somebody might not have a good comment and say, Dari aria ma. He's never talked the truth, or she has never talked the truth. Then you go to a new town, you say, hey, dear doka town yeno, I have never been to this town. We come to the end of today's lesson. I hope you have gotten something. Please remember to subscribe, like. See you next time. Tuonane hĩndĩ ĩngĩ. Tigwo ina wega.